Hello everybody. Today we shall discuss about constructive approach. Myself, Dr. Ashok Kumar Bisurapur, Associate Professor, Department of Education, Karnataka State Akka Madhavi Women's University, Vijayapura. Let us see the concept of constructive approach. Constructive approach refers to an epistemological position in which knowledge is regarded as constructed. These approaches concentrate on the analysis of single processes or functions. Constructivist approaches present themselves through a remarkable spectrum in psychology. Constructivist teaching is based on constructivist learning theory. Constructivist teaching is based on the belief that learning occurs as learners are actively involved in a process of meaning and knowledge construction as opposed to passively receiving information. Constructivist approach teaching methods are based on constructivist learning theory. Scholars such as von Glassfeld trace the origin of this approach in the philosophies of Immanuel Kant, George Berkeley, and Jean Piaget. There are those who also cite the contribution of John Dewey, such as his works on action research, which allows the construction of complex understanding of teaching and learning. Dewey and Piaget resembled childhood development and education. Both were very influential the development of informal education. Dewey's idea of influential education suggests that education must engage with and encourage exploration of thinking and reflection associated with the role of education. Now, what are the activities conducted for this approach? The constructivist method is composed of that at least 5 stages. The consists of 5 stages. Let us see: inviting ideas, exploration, proposition, explanation, and solution, and taking action. The constructivist classroom also focuses on daily activities when it comes to student work. Experimentation. Students individually perform an experiment and then come together as a class to discuss the results. Research projects. Students research a topic and can present their findings to the class. Field trips. This allows students to put the concepts and ideas discussed in a class in a real world context. Field trips would often be followed by class discussion. Films. These provide visual context and thus bring another sense into the learning experience. Class discussions. This technique is used in now all of the methods described in the English classroom, described in the English method tactics. It is one of the most important distinctions of constructivist teaching methods. Campus wikis, it's very important concept. These provide learners with a platform for creating helpful learning researches. Resources, what they are searching and getting the information about that. Constructivist approaches can also be used in online learning. Tools such as discussion forums, wikis, and blogs can enable learners to actively construct the knowledge. Assessment. Traditional testing is only one facet of constructivist assessment of student success. Assessment also consists of personal through interpretation of students' performance in the context of what their out of school life. Non-traditional constructivist assessment strategies include oral discussions. The teacher presents the students with a focused question and allows an open discussion on the topic. Another very important concept is KWLH chart. What is this KWLH chart? What we know, that is K. What we want to know, that is very interesting. What we have learned, how we know it. This is what KWLH chart. This technique can be used throughout the course of study for a particular topic, but is also a good assessment technique as it shows the teacher the progress of the students throughout the course of study. Mind mapping. In this activity, students list and categorize the concepts and ideas resulting in a topic. Hands-on activities. These encourage students to manipulate their environments or a particular learning tool. Teachers can use it checklist and observation to assess student success with the particular material. Pre-testing. This allows a teacher to determine what knowledge students bring to a new topic and thus will be helpful in directing the courses of study. Now, what are the 5 principles of constructivism? First one, teachers seek and value students' points of view. Second point, classroom activities challenge students' assumptions. Third point, teachers pose problems of relevance. Fourth point, teachers build lessons around big ideas. Fifth point, teachers assess learning in the context of daily teaching. Let us see the first point. Teachers seek and value students' point of view. Unlike traditional teaching, where students are expected to provide one right answer to one right answer, means the questions will be provided to the students. The teacher is looking for in a constructivist classroom. Students are encouraged to elaborate on their ideas and use evidence to bolster their opinions. Classroom activities challenge students' assumptions. Second point. Through constructivism, students are encouraged to explore an aspect of something that they have not typed or thought about before, whether that is a new product or a new point of view. Constructivist teaching is about challenging and broadening students' views. Third point, teachers pose problems of relevance. Constructivism is about exploring complex real world problems that allow students to engage with the material. They are trying to they are trying to learn how ideas are formed that relate to the students' lives and interest that can help boost their motivation to learn and deepen their understanding of material. Fourth point, teachers build lessons around big ideas. There are certain essential concepts that students need to learn, such as understanding cause and effect critically, analyzing documents, or inquiry based exploration. Fifth point, teachers assess learning in the context of daily teaching. Traditionally, teachers give information for a certain amount of time and then they conduct a test to see if students learn to content, whether they are involved in that hall. They will conduct the test and they will gather the information. Hope you got the information about constructivist approach. Thank you. Thank you very much. Wear the mask. and maintain the social distance to fight against pandemic issue. Please subscribe and bell the button. Thank you. Thank you.